In today's video, I'm going to be making a withdrawal from Hanko trade. I've recently switched back to trading Forex. I'm still trading futures, but I also want to trade Forex for a number of reasons. And I did pretty well on the account these past few days. So I wanted to process a withdrawal with Hanko trade because apparently now they have faster withdrawals than when I used to withdraw with them. I used to trade with them a few years ago and they still had pretty decent withdrawals. It's like 5 to 7 days. But now they're claiming to have like 24-hour withdrawals. This new platform they got is fire. And I've been liking it so far. So I'm going to place a withdrawal. I'm going to go through the process with you guys so you can see it. And we'll see. I'll probably have to do a follow-up video. We'll see how long it actually takes to hit my account, or if it even hits my account. So let's go here. We're going to sign in. I'm probably going to blank out my email so y'all don't email me nothing crazy, but what the fuck is this? All right, so I had to enter this code on the authenticator app. Let's see if it actually works. Oh yeah, it worked. Okay, so it logged me in. I like how they got the little support over here. It's pretty cool. So here are my live accounts. I have 2 of them. I have a bigger account and I have like a smaller little flip account. And I'm gonna do a withdrawal from probably my bigger account. All right, so what you would need to do is go over here to withdrawals. Boom. Gonna select the account you want to withdraw from. Boom. And then wait for it to load. Then you're going to enter the amount you want to withdraw. And then you're going to enter how you want to withdraw. These are the options you have. You have Tether, you have USDC on the Ethereum network, you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, True USD on the Ethereum network, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin. I'm going to be using Bitcoin. And then I'll put in my address here. I'm gonna have to blank out a lot of this personal information, but y'all see the vibes. All right, so the withdrawal is submitted as you see on the screen. I even got the confirmation email right here with Hanko. It's pretty cool. It says verify fast, withdraw faster. I really like Hanko Trade's new branding that they've been doing. But there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but they sent me the confirmation email. So we will see how long it takes to hit my account. Until the next video, out.